In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a team member in Zendesk. Managing team members in Zendesk is important for maintaining an efficient and organized workspace, especially when changes occur in your team structure. Whether someone is leaving or you need to reassign roles, it's essential to know how to make these adjustments within your Zendesk environment smoothly. To begin, let's navigate to the Admin Center. This is where you can manage all your settings related to people and permissions. In the Zendesk interface, you'll want to look for the product tray, which appears as a grid icon somewhere on your screen. Clicking this icon will reveal a variety of tools and settings. From here, choose the Admin Center, which is your hub for administration tasks. Once you're in the Admin Center, you'll direct your attention to the section labeled People. Under this category, you'll find an option for team members. This is where all the current members of your team are listed, whether they are agents, admins, or end users. It serves as the main directory for managing roles and permissions among your team. Now, with the team members list in front of you, the next step is to find the user you wish to remove. Use the search feature to quickly locate the agent or admin in question. Simply type in their name, and the list will filter to show the matching results. Once you've identified the correct person, click on their name to open up their detailed user profile. After opening their user profile, you'll be presented with options to adjust their role. This includes either downgrading their access or completely removing it. One effective approach is to downgrade them to an end user, which essentially revokes their agent or admin license. To do this, look for the role section within their profile. Here, you'll see their current designation such as agent or admin. Change this designation by selecting End User from the available options. Once you've made this change, be sure to click Save. This confirms the adjustment, effectively downgrading their role and removing their access to agent or admin functionalities. It's a straightforward process, but one that requires attention to detail to ensure the right choices are made. To recap, we first accessed the Admin Center through the product tray, navigated to the Team Members section, located the user we wanted to adjust, and changed their role to that of an end user. These actions ensure that you maintain a secure and well-organized Zendesk environment, adapting swiftly to changes in your team setup. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on optimizing your Zendesk experience.